Yellows are some of the hardest colors to mix because as soon as you get away from the color that comes out of the tube, everything easily goes either brown or green. So if you're trying to paint something yellow, and especially in the shadows, you're looking for how to mix that color, this video is going to solve your problem. If you also want to learn how to mix other colors, check out the link below for a color mixing workshop. And now let's get to mixing yellows. Where things really start to go wrong is making yellow darker. So if we take yellow and we add black, we're getting green there. And you may have seen that in the downloadable. I put yellow plus black equals green. So definitely this color is not like that color. We're usually thinking that black is going to make colors darker, and it doesn't really make colors darker. It makes it darker and more blue. Take a look just at the color by itself. So it looks like an orange with a little bit less intensity to it. So let's give it a shot. So actually here, I already have yellow and I have black. So I'm going to add a little bit of red to it because that's what's missing from the equation. And what I'm seeing is right now it's too dark and it still looks too green. So I'm going to add red, and I'm also going to add either some white or some yellow to lighten that value a little bit. So I'm going to start with red. I'm going to add a little bit of yellow, but then I am going to add a little bit of white too. I'm going to try it again. I think it's still going to be a little too dark, but let's see. Yep. So I'm going to continue with yellow and white until I have that matched. So now that's getting pretty close, right? I could probably still go a little lighter, a little more yellow. I'm going to call that good enough, right? Now looking at this color that we started with, look, if I look in that dark area right here, of course I don't have that color anymore, but this looks like the right value in terms of how light and dark it is. That looks really good. But that color is too green. Okay, so it's the hue that's off on that. So we would add red to this to get the hue away from that green, and that would end up matching here. If I come up here and I'm looking at this color up top, this light color, this is way too dark. So this would need a lot of yellow and probably a little bit of black, but maybe I would start a new mixture for that since it's going to be so much lighter.